Hello and welcome. We are now inside of Notebook LM. And assuming that you already know how to upload documents to a notebook and that you know how to generate a response, we're going to demonstrate some of the features of the notes inside of Notebook LM. Now, assuming that you have taken notes on either the audio conversation or on some of the extractions from Notebook LM's analysis of the document, what you can do is you can click on Add Note. Add Note allows you to write in your own notes about your observations about what you have learned. Now, what we have here is a sample observation. What you'll notice then is that you can name the observation. So what we can do is we can go here, and we can name the observation in a way that we are going to remember. So if you have a numbering system of some kind, you can do that here. And once you complete your observation, you don't have to click a Save button. If you click on the Studio button, what you'll notice then is that your note will then be here. And you'll be able to see that here in this area. If what you want to do is you want to have an analysis of both your source as well as your notes, what you're going to do is to go to your Notes area. You are then going to click inside of the note. Once you are inside the note, you are then going to click Convert to Source. What you will notice then is on the left side, your sources contain the original document as well as your note about the document. We're going to close this up and go back to the studio. If we now refresh the entire notebook, you're going to see the analysis here change and the conclusions change. So we're going to click F5. And we're going to see a slightly different element here, having the AI redo its analysis based on your notes as well as the overall document. We can ask questions of the document. So for example, if we were to write in here into the chat area, we can ask specific questions about the document. And you'll see our question here. You'll see then that Notebook LM will tell you it's based on two sources, your notes as well as the actual document. We can then click on this button and then we can get Notebook LM in order to give us an answer to our question about the document. Okay, so with that, thanks. And I will see you in another video.